Welcome back to Eat Plants Love Kids. I'm Josie.
And I'm Maya.
In this video, we are going to be making peach cobbler.
Today our recipe is from the Eat Plants Love Facebook page.
For this recipe, you're going to need 6 peaches.
I'm on the 6th peach and I'm going to show you how to cut it. So first you cut all the way around in half and then you twist it so the 2 pieces come apart. Then you cut the piece with the pit in half again, and so you can take the pit out easily. And then for each of the pieces you cut it in thirds for the smaller ones, but for the bigger ones you can cut them in fourths. So you're gonna put the 6 sliced peaches into a 9x9 ungreased pan. And then you pour 1 teaspoon of almond extract over it and mix well.
Now I'm going to be making the topping for the peach cobbler. First, I'm going to pour 1 cup rolled oats into my blender, but you could also use a food processor. Then I'm going to pour half a cup of walnuts, also into my blender. Then half a cup of almond flour, and then half a tablespoon of cinnamon. Then I'm going to pulse this together until it's mixed thoroughly, and then dump it into my bowl. Now I'm going to dump this into my bowl. Now we're going to sprinkle the topping on, and then we're going to throw this in the oven at 375 for 45 minutes, or until the peaches are tender or the crumble is nicely browned. And we're just going to pop that in. Close it up. Peach cobbler is baked and ready to come out of the oven. Now it's time to put these on a plate and eat it.
Now the peach crumble is out of the oven, cooled and ready to eat.
Thank you for joining us. Come back next time for more delicious whole food plant-based recipes.